Hello everyone, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian composer. In this video, I'll explain how I orchestrated a brief melody. The melody is played by one of the oboes and the first violin. This is an example of orchestral doubling, where the same part is played by multiple instruments. The other oboe and the second violin follow the melody line a third below. The clarinets play harmonizing notes in a different rhythm from the melody. The lower clarinet plays a third below the higher clarinet and collaborates with the viola. The cello and the double bass provide the bass notes in an octave doubling. It's a good strategy to create different rhythmic solutions for the sections because this makes the orchestration more interesting and engaging. Doublings help to create interesting timbres, and sometimes orchestral doubling is inevitable because, for example, a single woodwind instrument can hardly compete with the entire orchestra in volume. If you found this video interesting and useful, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.